Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes network adapters missing Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click Network Adapter, click Action, click Scan for hardware changes. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Or find motherboard details from manufacturer CD. Copy motherboard details. Paste and search with motherboard details. Click Support, Driver, and Tools. Select your OS type. Extract downloaded file. Right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Select Network Adapters, click Action, click Add Legacy Hardware. Check Install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Select Network Adapter, click Have Disk. Browse extracted driver folder path. Select network model. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.